Looking for a hassle-free replacement remote for your Honda Accord 2003 to 2007? Imagine restoring your car's keyless entry quickly and confidently with a remote that matches the original in both form and function. No more fumbling with worn-out buttons or worrying about compatibility. This remote is designed to fit your vehicle perfectly. I recently replaced my Honda Accord's remote with this exact model, and the process was straightforward. The remote comes complete with electronics and a fresh battery, so it's ready to go once programmed. I took it to a qualified locksmith who cut the key and programmed the transponder without any issues. All three remotes work flawlessly now. While the plastic case feels a bit less durable than the original, it still holds up well in daily use. Plus, free tech support is available if you run into any questions during programming. If you're considering a replacement remote for your Honda Accord 2003 to 2007, this option is worth a look. It offers reliable performance and easy setup through a locksmith or dealership. Don't let a faulty remote slow you down. Try it when you're ready and get back to convenient, secure access to your vehicle.